Let's take a look at how we can style these form elements. We'll jump over to the CSS and we'll just create some selectors in here. Let's create a general one for all inputs and text areas. And we'll set these to display block, which will push them down to a new line. We could also do the same for labels. Let's take a look at what we have now. Okay, so now we have stacked labels and elements. And then we can create a selector for type text. So this will select all input types that are text. And for this example, we are going to make these a width of 100%. And that'll be 100% of the field set. And the field set will be 100% of the content area, which in this case is 460 plus 20 plus 20, so that's 500 pixels wide. And then since the telephone number will want to look the same, we're going to also target the tel type. So now those are 100 pixels wide, or 100% wide, excuse me. Let's come back over here and do the same thing for the text area. And then let's also add a height for the text area to make that a little larger. And for the field set, we're going to target the legend, and we're going to make that bold. So we'll give that a font weight of bold, and we'll make it a little larger than the other text on the page. So make that 14. So now these areas are really starting to become defined. Now this border I feel is very distracting and it looks a little cluttered down here. So we're going to add some space. We're going to remove the border and separate these out in a different manner. So what we'll do is we'll add our field set here. We'll give this a border of 0 pixels, so that border will disappear. And then we're going to add a margin to the bottom of all form or field sets. Let's give it 20 pixels of margin, so that'll add some space after each field set. And then we're going to add a background color to these. And we could just do a light gray, just to make it stand out a little bit. As you can see, the legend is kind of sitting right in the middle of that field set where it begins here. So we can jump back over here and add a white background color to the legend, which will have it just kind of sit above with a white background. So it is a little more obvious here.